What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how you can download Bluestacks on your PC or laptop. So this program will allow you to play Android games on your PC, and also you can use apps that are like on the Play Store. So the first thing, click on the link at the description below this video and then click download Bluestacks. After that, we're gonna wait a few seconds and then open the installer. So click yes. Click install now and then I agree. So as you guys can see, it's downloading fast. We're gonna wait for like 4 minutes and then we're gonna be able to install the program and use it without any problem. But before we use it, we need a Google account. So if you have a Google account, you can use it to access to the Play Store and use games and applications. So finally the installation is done. We're gonna click now next again and then click done. As you guys can see, we have all the Android games here, and Bluestacks is our Android emulator that we can use every day to play games or use Android apps. So for example, we're gonna look for a famous game like soccer game, and here is the game. All you have to do is click install from Bluestacks store and then wait. So if you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.